I'll guide you through how to sell on Whatnot. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Whatnot website. You can log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. From the homepage, click Become a Seller to start. On the sign up page, you can continue with Google, Facebook, or simply register with your email. Once you're in, you'll land on the Getting Started page. Agree to the seller rules and tap Got It to proceed. Next, select the main category of products you want to sell, followed by a relevant subcategory. Then follow the guided steps from Whatnot to continue. Before gaining full seller access, you'll need to watch a brief orientation video. After that, you'll be directed to the Seller Hub. On the left menu, go to Shows and select Schedule a Show. There are 6 stages. Enter your show information. Upload media like thumbnails or preview videos. Adjust your shipping settings. Set your content preferences, including language and muted words. Then choose whether your show is public or private. Finally, hit Schedule a Show. And that's how to start selling on Whatnot.